Oh. Alright, this is my bike check on the Fit Street 1 frame. Okay, I got Odyssey Aaron Ross keyboard grips, S&M bar ends, stock bars, Dan's comp sticker. I got stolen convict stem gold. Got the stock Fit forks, Primo V-Monster tire, Alienation plain back rim. My frame is the Fit Street 1 frame right here. Got a Fit pivotal seat with a Fit seat post in gold down there. Fit pedals in gold. Fit flow cranks. Eastern Medusa light sprocket, gold 25 tooth. Mechanic half-link chain, gold. Ew. Got an A-frame back end, no brakes. I ride no brakes. My back rim is Alienation, plain back rim in gold with another Primo V Monster. And my bike weighs like 23 pounds. And here is the hub sound.